Merry Christmas. I'll turn the light over there, Mommy, so I can see better. Ah, there we go.
Stop.
Yep.
Why don't you pause it for a minute?
Hold on. Okay, buddy. There's Kahlua. You want to take pictures with the camera or with your phone? Go for it. What to open first? What do you want to open first? Go for it. See what you want. Pick one. Of course, he picks the biggest one.
Big Z, turn this way so we can see you.
Hey, all right. He got it for you. What is that?
Oh, a police station.
What kind of police station? Lego City. Whoa. That is cool.
Let's build it in my room.
We'll build it in your little office room. Yeah. And that right there, we knew Santa was gonna bring Legos, so we got that thing to put your Legos in. It stores all your Legos inside that. If you ever want to take it down.
Building them.
When you're not building.
Turn around so Mommy and Daddy can see you. What is that? You didn't even look at it.
Look at it. Take a look.
It says "Good night, Austin."
And those are chocolate rocks.
Chocolate rocks.
See the rocks? That's
Don't
candy.
let Kahlua eat
That's
those.
candy. He's not worried about that. He's going for all the big stuff.
Take a picture of that.
What do you do?
It's another Lego thing. Wow!
What is it?
It's gonna go that.
What is that?
What is it?
That was a helicopter.
Lego City helicopter. It's a fire rescue helicopter.
And it goes with that.
Mm-hmm.
Of course, my phone doesn't have any more room for pictures.
Some Legos.
Here's mine.
Let's go open this Lego box. Whoa!
Cool.
That Lego.
What is that?
It's a Legos.
Sea Patrol unit.
Yeah. That's a Legos. That's a different Legos.
That one's for Mommy and Daddy.
Yeah.
No, it's from Mommy and
it's
Daddy,
from us.
not from Santa.
No, it's for you. It's for you.
It's for you. It's from Mommy
from
and
us.
Daddy, though.
Yeah, I'm getting low battery already.
Huh?
I'm getting a low battery. I must have forgot to charge.
Honey, don't let that go over 10 minutes or else it won't load.